So now I copy all that and I
You can stop
okay.
sharing. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that's okay.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Okay then.
Okay, but I need to print it out because the question asked me to print it out in this. Yes. So with two children. Okay. Wait, why? Oh, I didn't add my. Okay. Okay. Then this. Okay. And okay. Okay. And
What's the
then
difficulty?
okay. Two, one, three. Okay. So then this would be plus 1.5 1 Okay. What is this represents then the hashtag?
So he just wants the probability, which is
Oh.
how many percent?
Oh, so like
Represent
I'll
how
put
many percent? Yes. So you just put a text and then
and then I plus this. And I just copy this. And then this avoid and this. Okay, that one. No. Okay, what's the problem? Oh, I need like that. That is it. Does that work?
you actually just need a plus sign. That's it. No need for just plus sign only.
Oh, this one is not complete. Oh, no, no, it's okay. Okay. Okay, okay. So then all this I don't need. And then all this I don't need. And this I don't need.
Excellent. But then tell me how we can get only 2 decimal points for this percentage.
Oh, okay.
And you also have to put the percentage. Do you know how to put it? Right? It's easy, right? You need to put here
Oh,
percentage.
okay. Where's the can't I just can I just put percentage in? Technically, I can just put it in a
As a
text like
text.
after.
Exactly,
Yeah.
yes.
Wait, plus percentage. Where is it? Percentage. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so the thing is how we can get only, how can we get rid of all this decimal and keep only 2? Do you
Okay.
remember we have done something similar before?
Yeah, but my
Mm.
memory is very bad.
Yes, you have
Okay.
to dig your mind. And
Yeah.
so we need to multiply
Mm,
something before we. So actually, let me understand. You divide and then you multiply by this 100, right?
yeah.
So it's something that you need to adjust here. What is that? What is that?
Uh,
Mhm.
okay. Here. Okay. Let me see. Maybe. I don't think it would be anywhere here. I think we did it quite long ago. I don't think it will be here. Yeah, it won't be here.
I believe we didn't write any code for it. We took it, yes, but we didn't do any
Yeah.
practice. Okay,
Okay. Hmm.
okay. Can we analyze it in a logic way before I tell you what could be the solution? So this is
Okay.
25,
Okay.
right? We
Yeah.
we have here 25. Can you tell me what else we have? 2, 0, 5. What else? 4, 9, 9.
49999.
Okay.
Oh,
Now we only want to keep these 4 numbers. Am I right?
what if okay, it'll be a bit complicated, but what if after I complete this,
Mm-hmm.
um, let's say after this, I times it by, let's say, if I want until this 20,
Mm-hmm.
then
Mm-hmm.
I times it by 100
Mm-hmm.
so that all of this will be non-decimal.
Mm-hmm.
Then I
Okay.
turn it into an integer, so it will only be 2520.
Okay.
Then
Fine.
after that, I
Mm-hmm.
divide it again by 100 as a double.
Actually, this is
Is
a
a
correct. Yes. Yes. You moving on the correct path. Yes. But the
it's
only
just
yes,
complicated.
you just need to do it in one line. Actually, it can be done in one line, like this line. You just need
Okay.
to add
Yeah.
your multiplication and division here. You just need to adjust here.
Oh, wait, so I just do like that, uh, like that, and then divide like that. But that will not work yet, right?
No.
No. I need to change it. Because I need to change it into an integer first. So won't I need separate lines for integer and
You don't need to
because
change it to integer. No need at all. Or you can, yes, I agree with you. Yeah. Yes, you need to do it. You change it to integer. It's correct. Yes. So you can do it on a separate line. Yes, I agree. Because if you do it in one line, it will be too complicated as a start. Yes, I agree.
okay. Okay. So, wait, what if I let's just double this? No, if I change that then okay, then it won't. Okay. So means I have this. Let me make this a one first. Then I will leave this as like integer um boy boy let's say first uh is no wait okay just leave it here first is probability boy times 100 percent. Let me see what that will give me first. Oh, where is this? Oh, okay. Okay. Then I make this double. Oh, why is it so confusing? Then picture. I'm just testing to try and find something that works. There you go. But that's only 25.0.
So it seems that you lost your 20.
Yeah, because this is integer now, so yeah, the 20 will be lost.
Okay. Can you add here something two more zeros in the multiplication so that we guarantee that out from this process we get this this 25
like
20.54. So
like
when you
this?
add two zeros here, when you add two zeros here, then you will get this out.
Yeah. No, what do you mean like this?
See,
Or
here. I want you to add.
oh. Oh, I see. I see, I see. And
So,
here,
yeah.
here, need to divide by dimension.
Mhm.
Okay, well, I don't need this.
Actually,
Ah,
you
cool.
need it to get rid of the.
Yeah, I need it. But then, if I have it there, then when I divide, it will still,
It will still lose, right?
yeah,
Okay. What if we put? Let me see here. What if we put this? And then you put your probability, and then the division is here. So just put extra brackets here. Here.
okay. No.
Oh, still.
Mm,
Let me think then. We get this out, we convert it to double, and then after we convert it to double,
okay, what if
um,
oh, how come this is oh because I need this yeah. Oh, how come?
because okay, you need to store that. You need to store that in an integer. So BB1 must be integer.
Oh, no.
He does not accept. No, he is having a problem with this line. Ah, you have to
Yeah.
put a semicolon, please, on the line 188.
Oh, yeah. No, still.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait.
BB1, yeah. Okay, excellent. Finally.
Okay, finally, yeah. But such complicated.
Yes, method. Actually it should be done in one line, but
Oh,
um,
how do we do that?
so okay, it should be done on one line in this way. So ah, okay. And then you write your bracket here, and then this is your division by 100. And inside here you double like that, and
Okay.
you do your division, and then multiplication here by this 10,000, and here you got your BB divided by count, and then you multiply, you divide here, and then you multiply here. So this is division, and this is multiplication. So yes, it's slightly complicated, but it should be done in one line, yes, and it should work this way.
So you mean like that?
Yes,
Wait, no. Like that.
and just only one bracket here. Yeah, here one bracket.
Oh, okay. Oh, so
Uh,
it is like this.
yes, and the double here, and you remove this. This bracket should be here after the
Right.
multiplication.
I see.
Okay, and then where is your multiplication to? So you multiply and then you divide by 100 here. Yes.
Okay, and then 100. That.
Let us see. Confirm that everything is correct here. Just comment them first. Don't remove. Okay, and then you change your. Something wrong. Still, we missed something out. Let us confirm that the bracket is correct. Let me see. Let me see. Double. You already make. Let me see. It's supposed to actually work. When you define this and then you convert it to int after that, it actually is supposed to work. I'm not sure. Let me see here. This is your probability. Let me have a look at detailed look at this. This is quite strange. I sometimes suspect that Repellet have a problem with this kind of execution. So let me confirm, because I'm sure that this is work. Let me confirm that with you the next class. Let me try it on another compiler to see if it really the problem with Repellet or not. Okay. Okay. So for the moment, just leave this portion, this rounding portion of the problem, and let's continue our class.
Okay.
Okay. Can you okay, I want you to start backing up your code and to start with an empty empty main.
Okay.
Do you know how to do that, right? We have done it before, right?
Yeah, so I just copy the file.
Backup, yes, or duplicate, make a duplicate. Yes, exactly, yes. So that we start with an empty main, because when we write this object-oriented code, that will be slightly confusing if we don't have an empty.
Yeah, and then now I just delete everything from there.
Yes.
Okay. Go to here. Here. All the way to. Okay.
Okay, good. Can you still remember what we talked about the class last in the previous session? Why do we ever? Can you still remember that?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Why do we ever need to actually group variables this way and even put methods inside this kind of what we say class? Why we ever need to complicate the matter this way? Actually, there is a strong reasons behind that. First of all, why we created methods, if you can remember. We mentioned a reason why we created methods in the first place. Why we need to group a certain lines of code and we give it a name and then we keep calling that when we need it. Can you still remember that?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you know why we need to write methods instead of just writing or repeating code when we need it?
Because it's easier, it's faster than if I just copy the code and put it many times.
Okay, that's also the same reason. So this is called reusability. So in a project, when you have thousands of lines to write, if you have libraries that is full of methods and classes, especially when you group methods and variables that is related to do to relate to a point or to a specific purpose, that it it need to do, then it's easy to copy the code in your coming projects. So what I want to say here, x and y have no meaning outside point. X and y is only related to the point here. So we can have multiple points in the space, like here, point 1, here, point 2, point 3. So each one of them have an x and y. So imagine if we have point 4, point 5, point 6, and each one of them have x and y. If I want to create separate variables for each, it will be a mess to actually create, oh, this x and y belong to point 3. This x and y belong to point 2. So you have to create, oh, point 3 underscore x, point 1 underscore x, point 6 underscore x. So this is all integer variables that you need to create. But then when you group the variables that is related to specific purpose, which is a point, we want to create a point in the space that have x and y, and we want to be able to assign values to that x and y, and we want to also do other operations. So this method is a special method. It doesn't have any return values here, okay? And it always carries the name of our class. So if the class is called point, then our method here, this specific method, is called point, and we call that method point. Sorry, constructor. Okay. So this constructor actually, it is only executed one time. You cannot call it two times. When you start to build a variable out of that class, this constructor is automatically called, and it's called once. It cannot be called two times. Now, let's go here. The variables inside each class, we call it instance variables. Okay. And these variables, we need to do some kind of protection mechanism. Normally, when you start to write big lines of code, you will have problems. You will run into problems. We call this problem bugs. A bug is in a code is a logical problem that you created without intention. So you might end up changing the content or the values of your variables without intention. So you don't plan to change the variable inside the content of the variable, but it happens. Okay. So let's call this is another class, and he's just giving an example here. So we call this sprite. So this sprite have also x and y. So this represents an object in a game that have a center x and center y. It have a constructor that is called one time. It assign values, double values, to center x and center y. Okay, now let's have a look here. So because this is a game, and this is okay, when you define your class, oh, okay, we have to close.
Oh, okay.